Hi everyone, welcome back to Jamila's Time. So today's video we're going to be shooting smoothies. I'm going to be showing you how I make 4 different smoothies, and I know I've been away for some weeks and it's because it was examination time. Your girl here is a student, so she had a lot of work to do from school, but I'm back. I'm back. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. Let's get started. So the 4 different smoothies I'm going to be making today are, I'm going to be making mango pineapple smoothie, I'm going to be making strawberry smoothie, I'm going to be making blueberry smoothie, and I'm also going to make a blending of all forest fruits. And for me, what makes my smoothie taste good is I add in apple juice, and I also add in some vanilla yogurt, and of course bananas. Some people make smoothies without bananas and all these, but for me I love to have it. Like, these 3 ingredients have to be part of my smoothie. Just that you know, this is not a healthy smoothie. This is not something that if you want to have a healthy smoothie you can have, but this smoothie tastes good. It really tastes good. So in the first smoothie we're going to be making mango and pineapple. I add in some fruits. In this blending they already have bananas, so I don't have to add in more bananas. I put in some apple juice and then yogurt and blend. So this is how the mango pineapple smoothie looks like. I'm going to pour it in the glass and then go to the next one. So our next smoothie is going to be the strawberry smoothie. We repeat the same procedure, just with different fruits. So first I put in some strawberries. I measure with my eyes, so it's the African style. And then I add in some juice, apple juice, not any other juice. I use apple juice. And then I add in vanilla yogurt, and then I add in 1 banana, but I make it like in small pieces. This is how the strawberry smoothie looks like. I'm going to put this in the glass and then we continue. So the next smoothie we're going to be making is going to be the blueberries. Same procedure. Juice, some yogurt. This is how the blueberries smoothie looks like after we blend it. This is one of my favorites actually. So the last smoothie we are making is going to be with the forest berries. So this is a mixture of different berries that I think some of them I don't know how to name it, but I have some raspberries, I have some blueberries, I have some blackberries they call them, and then I add in some strawberries. So here is our finished product. Here is all our 4 smoothies, and I'm going to test all of them because yeah, I want to test them. First, I'm going to taste the mango pineapple smoothie. All the smoothies have bananas, so just that you know. So this is the end of our video. This is our finished product. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Peace out.